Okay, hi. So let's talk about the counting ability for the Molmo model. I'll start with a simple picture I took around the AI2 office, and let's ask it some questions about this picture. So let's start with a simple question. How many chairs are there? So as it generates the output, it also gives me the points for which objects it detected for the question, and then it gives me the points, and then it says the total is 4. Now if I want to change this to something more about more with an attribute, so how many black chairs are there? Okay, so black chairs, and then just to check the other thing, how many blue chairs do you see? Okay, so it actually detected an extra chair when it asked for just blue chair, which is this extra thing you can sit on here. Okay, let's see let's change the thing. How many monitors are in the image? So it got 4, right, which is counting total 4, and all 4 are shown here. Okay, now let's go for a higher count. So how many pictures do you see in the image? Okay, and it should count all of these. Counting the picture shows a total of 13. So it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it missed one over here, but it got 13 of them, and it showed which points it looked at. And then now how many pictures are in the so let's try something where it needs to detect that there's a number of pictures and it needs to get the top row. So it got the number of pictures in the top row are a total of 3. So this is good. Now let's try some other image. Okay, so this is another picture taken from the AI2 offices. Let's start with a simple question. How many people are there? So it got counting the number of people. It shows 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's correct. Let's change the question. How many people are standing? Counting the people that are standing are 6, and again it shows the points for each of the images, for each of the objects it detects. Okay, now let's do how many people have their hands in their pockets. So I'm actually going to be surprised if it gets this exactly correct. There are 3 people who have their hands in their pockets. So I think this is one person. 1, 2, 2. So it didn't give me the points in this question. Let me try and get the points. Okay, so for this complicated prompt, it does not really give me the points, and only it detects 3 people where there are only 2. Okay, let's try some other question. How many window panes are in the image? Okay, let's see how it does on this one. So it says counting the window pane shows a total of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that's correct. Let's see how many window panes are in the left image. So it got that correctly, and it knows it predicts the count only on the left side. Let's try the other side also, on the right of the image. Cool, it got the correct count. Okay, let's try an image with a higher count. So this is image based in Seattle, and let's try and ask it the number of window panes. How many window panes are there? So there are quite a few points here, and it is counting down all of them. Let's see which ones it got. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I think the points are not generated exactly correctly, and it also detected the points at the lower as points in the, okay, so this one it did not get exactly right. Let's try a simpler question. How many window panes windows are okay, so for each of the two buildings it detected the top rows, and it gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this point is somewhat off, but pretty good. Okay, let's try one more image with high count. So this is an image of vases of the internet. Let's see if it gets this simple question right. Total of 39. So detected 1 over here, 2 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So I think all of them seem correct. It even got this one. Okay, that's great. Let's try a bit more complicated question. It's actually pretty good. I was not surprised it'll get this high count exactly correct. How many vases are red? They're total of 3. 1, 2, 3. Nice. How many vases are blue? Yep, that's great. Yep, that's the total, that's the correct count for the blue vases.